So today is the best day of my year because I just received this massive package from Squishmallows. From Squishmallows themselves. I can't believe it. It's such a huge package and I have no idea what's in here. Well, I mean, I assume they're Squishmallows. And most likely they are to celebrate the season of Squish. Speaking of the season of Squish, as you can see, I have got all my Christmas Squishmallows out. This year I have a purple Squishmas tree. Completely purple, completely beautiful. And then I have Christmas Squishes back there. Christmas Squishes back here. Oh my goodness. I have my favorite of all Christmas Squishmallows here, the Christmas Goblins. This is Soupy, who I got last year. One of my favorite Squishmallows. Favorite Squishmallows of all time. And then this year his little brother came out. This is Troy. He's a light green goblin and him and Soupy are very excited to help me open my season of Squish package. Then after we do that, I also have a whole bag of Christmas Squishmallows that I have picked up while Squishmas hunting the last few weeks. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I actually get to open this up right now. So I found out I was getting this package via email, but I never in my wildest dreams imagined it would be quite this massive. Like, it's bigger than me. I'm almost nervous to take a look. I might start crying. This is really one of the best things. Yeah, I just gasped because there's the Squishmallows logo. Soupy, where did you go? I really needed your emotional support for this beautiful moment right now. Okay. Oh my goodness, I see something pink. Okay, there's something big and pink in the back here. Could it be a pink Squishmallow? Oh my goodness. It is a pink Squishmallow tree! This is gonna have to move for a second. As you can see, I love collecting Squishmallow trees. I've got a green one, I've got a white one, I've got a blue one, I've got another white one, and now I have a pink one to add to my collection! Okay, so she's not completely pink, she's kind of pinky, bluey, yellowy. She's got a beautiful gold star and then fluffy snow on her head. I love the color scheme of the decorations. Her name is Laurel. I'm gonna be hugging her all Christmas. Okay, Laurel, you can sit there. Oh my gosh, look how good she looks with this color scheme. Honestly, I was thinking when I set this up that this green tree, he looked a little bit out of place. But I was like, I really need a 12-inch Squishmallow to hold that structure of Squishmallows up. And now I literally got one that's the exact color scheme. I'll set that up later. For now, Laurel can sit here. You can look after Soupy's little brother while Soupy gives me the emotional support to keep looking in this beautiful package. My heart is racing like I just ran a marathon. The next thing that I see, we have a 7-inch Squishmallow. It is Prince the Pug, and he is so cute. He's wearing little reindeer antlers. I wish I could get my dog to wear reindeer antlers, but when she was a puppy, I tried to dress her up as a reindeer, and she looked like she was about to cry. It's okay though, because now I have Prince the Pug to be my reindeer. He's also got this embroidered candy cane, and his bio says that he is considered royalty on the playground. He likes to do flips and tricks on the monkey bars. Wow. I wonder if he uses his ears to hang from the monkey bars. Do these antlers help or not? You can sit there for now. Then we have the Australian version of Santa. I was very excited when I saw this because most Christmas Squishmallows and most Christmas things in general are very wintry. They have scarves, they have jumpers, and while I love a cute and cozy outfit, it's 40 degrees Celsius out there and I need a tropical shirt. So I appreciate that they made a tropical Santa, especially for us down here in Australia and the rest of the southern hemisphere and any other places that are also hot while it's Christmas. I love that he's got a little flower on his hat. So Santa, you can sit here. Now Soupy has just gone diving into the box. There's a Christmas clip as well. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. This is Caldette. I think she's some kind of melon, maybe a pomegranate. She's got a beautiful orangey pinky color and then the cutest Santa hat. I'm loving how fluffy this is and the pattern. It has snowflakes on it. Caldette loves singing and hums along to her favorite tunes all day while she works. Thank you for bringing your music to us this Christmas. Okay, Soupy, what else have you found in here? Another 12-inch Squish! Oh my goodness, he is beautiful! This is a very similar version to one of my favourite Squishmallows from last year, which follows this theme of Squishmallows dressed up as Nutcracker dolls. And this one is a polar bear with a mustache, a little bit of a grumpy polar bear, but oh my gosh, that makes him so much cuter. He has so many cute details, embroidery on the hat, embroidery on his outfit. This belt bit is shiny and 3D. Then we've got the polar bear tail on the back. His name is Nikolai. Says that his specialty back in the day was a roller skating limbo contest. Good to know. Oh my goodness, I don't even have enough room to put all these beautiful creatures. Alright, Soupy, I can actually still feel that there's more in here, which is crazy. Oh my goodness, how much more is there? So we have another beautiful dog Squishmallow. It is Steven the pup and he is currently tangled up in fairy lights. I love his fluffy ears. And his bio says that he is a certified scuba instructor. He's very happy to teach you how to do scuba diving. He would not recommend scuba diving with fairy lights on though. There we go, best friends with the Christmas pug. Then the final two things in the bag was the 7-inch and the clip version of Reuben the Peppermint Cow. A super cute cow design for this Christmas. He's got the peppermint pattern on his stomach and then a green body with red spots. Both Reubens have a super cute fluffy tail. Well, thank you so much to Squishmallows for my incredible collection of new Christmas Squishmallows. Make sure to look out for Christmas Squishmallows at Target, Big W, Kmart, Toymate, Toy World, and all the other places where Squishmallows are sold. If you need some more specific inspiration though, I do have a glorious bag of Squishmallows I have found out in the wild. The first two I'll show you are the new 5-inch Squishmallows. Now you can usually find 5-inch Squishmallows at Woolworths and Coles. I actually found these at a News Express news agency. This one is Louis. I thought he looked a lot like my corgi. He's like a gingerbread corgi with a peppermint swirl here. I love all the little icing details that he has on him. He is currently an intern at the holiday law firm of Jolly, Jolly and Jones. Is there a Squishmallow called Jolly and a Squishmallow called Jones? It's owned by Jolly the Ornament. And this cat, I have that cat. Sorry to bring you into the place where your boss lives. Then I also got Anderson the seal, a beautiful grey seal with a very cute red Christmas scarf. It says this seal loves to knit and he's wearing a knitted scarf. That is very emotional. It has the knitted texture, especially because this Squishmallow loves knitting. That is the cutest thing ever. The next Squishmallow I got, I actually have two of this Squishmallow. One is for me and one is for my sister. They are gingerbread houses with pink roofs. Her name is Minna. She is just adorable. I love her eyelashes, the pink door, pink and yellow stripes down here, and then we've got the pink roof with lots of yellow and white and brown decorations. I love the little snow bit here. It's actually quite a different coloured brown to Casa, the original gingerbread house. Just more of a deeper, cool brown. I really hope they keep releasing different gingerbread houses every year, and then one day you can have a whole village of gingerbread Squishmas houses. Okay, what else have I got to show you in here? This is Ezekiel the snow globe. It's a snow globe Squishmallow. Not only is it a snow globe, it's wearing a hat. It's got a Christmas bow. Look at all the embroidery details. Such a cute little guy. Then I have a couple Squish left to show you in this bag. We have this beautiful one, which is Davy the cinnamon toast. He's not Cinnamon Roll, the cute Sanrio character. I did get a Christmas squish of him. He's not in my bag. I'll add a clip of him. He looks like this. He's wearing a super cute bow tie and a super cute aqua outfit. Back to this cinnamon roll piece of bread. He is glorious. He's really, really chunky. He's got frosting on top. He's got his beautiful cinnamon swirl, and then he's got a scarf. I love him. Okay, his bio says that he's actually a Christmas tree decorator. Which is actually perfect for the last squish I have in here, which is a purple ornament for my purple Christmas tree. This is Lunasha, the purple yeti. He's got little sparkly silver horns and really cute rosy cheeks. He's also got a little snowflake there. And she's actually an optometrist for mythical creatures. She wants to develop prescription goggles for her lake-dwelling bestie, Loon. Loon, you're getting prescription goggles for Christmas. That is one of the cutest bios I've ever read. Alright, Davy, the Christmas tree decorator, time to put my new decoration onto my Christmas tree. Beautiful. And then here we have Soupy. I know, he's very exciting. I got him as a Christmas present for myself last year, and I'll never get tired of how beautiful he is. Well, thank you so much for joining me for this Squishmas video. Huge thank you to the people at Squishmallows and Jazwares Australia for sending me this beautiful package of Squishmallows. Thank you so much for watching this video and all my Squishmallow content throughout the years. Well, I've got to go and reorganize all my new Squishmas Squishmallows. Christmas Squishmallows. Christmas has taken over my brain. I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. So it's time for me to say goodbye.